Hello YouTube, welcome back. In today's video we're going to be going over SPY, QQQ, ES, NQ, VIX, and dollar levels. Without further ado, let's hop right into it. But before that, as always, this is not financial advice. Do your own technical analysis. It's for educational purposes only. Without further ado, let's hop into it. So first thing we got is tomorrow. Uh, we have USD 8:30 a.m. core PPI month over month and PPI month over month at 8:30. So that will move the market. And then at 10 o'clock we have preliminary consumer sentiment at 10 a.m. and prelim inflation expectations. So expect a big move tomorrow in the morning and then around 10 o'clock. So I'm not really expecting to trade till after 10, after the news is settled. So we'll just have to see how that works off. As we can see today, again, another crazy day in the stock market. I mean, at this point, not really expect. I'm just expecting at this point we're down 4% on the day after that crazy rally. So let's get to it. First off, hit the support level today. As you can see here, we came down into the golden zone, found support. So I am expecting tomorrow for this level to be hit at about 533.6, about 533.50. I'm expecting it to come up here. If that breaks, I'm expecting, or if we continue to push up, we got 548 and then we have a 565, but that's where I'm personally aiming at right now as the moment. Again, resistance has not really changed. We got a high to low here. We are near a resistance level for that, but I'm not really going to count that. I'm just going to do the big range here when we're in the resistance area for this big range. So we'll just have to see how it moves. If it goes up, I'm just expecting it to go up here, maybe back up to 548, but we'll have to wait and see. Again, news will again dictate that. So yeah, your support again was about 510, so I'm expecting it to come up here. So I'd say support again is still around 510, this 510 area. If it breaks somehow, 496 is the big support, and then a really fast support down here at 490. So there's that. QQQ, same thing. I'm expecting tomorrow, depending on news, to hit this 455.59 area. Again, hit the support today, came down to the golden zone. So again, support down here at about about 431. Again, we're in the resistance area, so we'll just have to wait and see how QQQ and SPY wants to react. So yeah, we do have about one more resistance if this fails at about 472. Um, Let me go ahead and do my ES and NQ targets. So ES is about from today about 1930 from the high of this. It's about 1.73%. So let me just delete that real quick and delete that. 1930, about 1.73, so about right here, about 18,880 is where I'm going to be aiming for the upside. For NQ, SPY, same thing. Draw out our line. 1.34, go to ES. Do about 1.34, which is about right here at 5,390. So those are the areas I'm looking forward to trading. I'm just going to mark the ones for right now, and I'll keep that just in case it goes down. Should have kept the NQ. I'll do that later. VIX, again, big day for VIX. Spiked up again a lot. Found support here. Found support, but it also found a resistance. So, as you can see here, our resistance came all the way up to the 78.6. Came up to here, the golden zone, came up here, showed fast selling pressure. So if we get a red day and it breaks below 34, I'm expecting it to come down to 32 and then probably lower. So support for VIX again now is going to be this 29 level again, and then if that breaks, about 25 is the last support. And then if that breaks, we'll see it come down here, and then potentially the 16 area. Dollar, Huge day for dollar as well, as we see big 2% minus day. So it did find resistance. Finally found resistance, kind of tested it a little bit. So now we have a new range. We have the support here is in play. It's at the support level. If it doesn't find fast buying pressure down here, then we will move on to the next one, which will probably be right here. There's two support levels here from this low to this high. If that fails, then we got to move down to the next one, which is right here. So if these levels fail, next real support level is at 98, and if that one fails, at 97 is the next big one. We are in a big support from this low. If we go from this low, we could expect it to fall down to about the 98 level. So that's where I'm expecting dollar to find support. Again, resistance for the smaller range. Now that it created a smaller range, resistance is going to be right here at about 102.3. 102.3, I'd say, is the resistance in the golden zone. Next one is 102.93, and then about 103.25. So those are my levels. If you found it helpful, be sure to subscribe so you don't miss further levels. And if you have any other stocks or futures you want me to go over, leave them down in the comments below, and I will do them in the next video. But thanks so much for watching, everyone. I appreciate it. I'll catch you all in the next video. Peace, everyone.